Down, yeah. I've been feeling so.
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to show you how to make a killer lemongrass shrimp. Y'all know if you tried my lemongrass chicken or lemongrass pork chop, you know how delicious it is. Why don't we adapt that flavor to the shrimp? Oh yes, it was a genius idea. So anyways, I just chopped about 3-4 cloves of garlic. It's about a tablespoon. And now I'm going to chop a large this is a fat lemongrass. I'm going to chop only this, like the first 2/3 of a part, and I'm not gonna use this part. You can actually keep this for like the soup. If you need to put let's say my chicken rice soup, you need the lemongrass. Why don't you use this end part of it? So I'm not sure if I need a whole 1 lemongrass, so let's chop it because we will need about 5 to 6 tablespoons of lemongrass. Slice it really thinly. I'm just gonna go ahead and chop it really fine, like almost like as the same size as the garlic. They like to jump. So you're probably wondering, Seonkyoung, why don't you just use a food processor and just pause and grind it up that way? So much easier, save your time. I know, but I really like chopping lemongrass with my hand, with my knife. And kind of therapeutic too when you're chopping, because there's a lot of lemongrass jumping around. You kind of have to okay, calm down guys, just be right there. Test your patience and stuff. All right, about half of the lemongrass jumped out from the cutting board, and we have about exact amount that I needed for the recipe. Okay, I'm gonna set aside right there. So you will need some shallot, but this looks like a shallot, but this is just giant shallot, I guess. What is that called this again? Portobello mushrooms? No. Pololo? No. Not potential. You have so much potential on you. You have so much potential. A torpedo. I like potential onion better. You have so much potential. I just got this from farmer's market, but you can just use, regular one shallot. That will actually do the job. Okay, and you just need to chop them really, really small. Right now, I'm going to heat up my skillet over medium-high heat. And then gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Alright, now I'm going to add all this garlic, lemongrass, and the shallot into the pan. Add a pinch of salt and saute the garlic, lemongrass, and the shallots about 5 to 6 minutes. So stir occasionally, and meanwhile, I'm going to chop up some Thai chili. Yes. So if you don't like spicy, this is totally optional, so you can just omit this. Don't add if you don't like spicy, but I love spicy food. Y'all know now, right? And Jacob is about to give me some kind of a look. 6, really? But you can just add 1, maybe half. But I think 6 is perfect for today's my mood. Jacob's opinion not counted right now. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. So if you don't like fish sauce, you can use vegetarian oyster sauce that I was talking about in my garlic noodles. Check it out right here. Or you can just use light soy sauce that also works. And we will need 2 tablespoons of honey. Let's add around half teaspoon of black pepper. You can reduce the amount of black pepper, but I think a lot of black pepper works really great in this recipe. And add all these Thai chilies into the sauce as well. Spicy, spicy! Jacob is shaking his head. He doesn't understand why I'm making this, boys! My garlic, shallot, lemongrass is doing really amazing, and they smell fantastic. This house smells so good. So I'm going to add 2 pounds of shrimp, shell in or shell off, totally up to you. I like shell on because, you know, I like playing with my food while I'm eating the food, but if you prefer peel the shrimp, go ahead and use a peel the shrimp. Just make sure it's a deveined, the you know, the poop is removed. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna add the shrimp into the pan. Spread the shrimp as evenly as possible on the pan. And I'm sorry, I didn't mention about the size of the pan. You will need like around 12 to 14 inch wide pan. You need a big pan for this recipe. Or you can cut this recipe in half and make it only half amount. But I need 2 pounds of shrimp. My shrimp is about halfway cooked through, so I'm going to increase the heat to high heat and then pour this sauce all over to the shrimp. Woo! So excited! Stir the shrimp around so it will absorb all the sauce and the lemongrass, garlic, shallot, all the flavor evenly. When the shrimp is fully cooked, remove it from heat and ta-da! We are done!
How come I always show up when the food is?
So this meal, honestly, is really amazing with some Pinot Grigio or the Spain wine from Costco. This is not. This is California wine. Okay. Ta-da.
It's a big wine glass.
In case if you guys are wondering where we got this glass, is from the Crate and Barrel.
Ooh.
Cheers.
Ooh.
Cheers.
Oh, beautiful sound.
Oh, it's a little dark, no?
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 Good.
Okay.
Oh, what are we eating? And with the garlic noodles, that's why I left the noodle shirt on.
You could use already peeled shrimp, but I think it's kind of fun to eat like this. And don't forget to like swirl the shrimp in the sauce, like diving in. Oh, so this way, when you're cooking the shrimp with the shell, the shrimps are a lot juicier. Done. Makes me shimmy, 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 shimmy. The shrimp's so good, shimmy, shimmy. Shrimp's so good, shimmy, shimmy. Are you gonna do it? Here, let me bring this over here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, make sure all this.
So much.
If you actually make this dish without the, no,
Shell?
yeah.
What are you trying to say?
If you make this dish with the shrimp that already peeled, it will be an amazing date night meal. I mean, you'll be like having really garlicky kiss and all that, but who doesn't want that? Garlic. I mean, if you both ate garlic, then it's fine. Just when I'm the only one who ate kimchi, like he noticed right away. It's never been romantic, but we eat kimchi together. That's fine.
Trying to get some noodle with the shrimp.
Dude.
Dude.
No, you can take that. You deserve it. You've been so patient all the time. So yummy. Yeah, this shrimp actually will be really good with rice too. Oh yeah, do you remember I have a garlic rice? With my garlic rice with this lemongrass shrimp. Oh, so good. Oh my gosh.
That's so good. So good with this too.
So good with white wine. It's amazing. It's like perfect girls' night in. Like you guys are cooking together, talk about some. You know what?
What?
That we love dramas.
You got some stuff in there. Speaking of drama, you got some stuff in drama going on right now.
Karma.
You got it. So, I kind of forgot we were filming for a second. Got so wrapped up.
This is so good.
In 6 Thai, how many did you put in here? How many Thai chilies did you put in here?
6.
Yeah, 6 is probably a couple too many. I know it's like so rude and whatever to lick your finger, but you can't help it with this one.
It's a finger licking good, can't help it.
Especially if you have to peel this one. I'm having a hard time with these chopsticks. I think I'm getting the noodles from the wrong spot. Ooh, don't knock
Yeah,
it.
baby.
Not yet.
You need a fork? You sure?
I got nervous because in that bite, I saw some Thai chilies.
Oh, you got nervous? Oh, it's coming. It's coming. This is so good. Thank you, babe.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I'm really grateful for Jacob because he's always being really, really patient. He never like give me a look of, oh, you have to take a picture again, or, well, actually sometimes I give him the look when I'm done, when I'm ready to eat. But he never do that, and you're just amazing, babe.
You're amazing.
You're amazing.
You're amazing.
You're more amazing.
Okay. What kind of show is this?
I don't know. Ah, so good.
Winner.
Shrimp
Lemongrass
dinner.
shrimp dinner.
But guys, oh, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook and enjoy eating Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longas, Jacob Longas, my husband, not boyfriend, husband. And this is Asian at Home. And we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Mwah. Make sure you take a picture of my food if you recreate at home and tag me, Seonkyoung Longas, on Instagram or Facebook so I can like your post and comment on your post and shout out on my Instagram story as well.
That's a wrap.
Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you. You said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your life.